Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Physics with Rishikesh. Today we are going to solve 10 important numerical problems on electric dipole and dipole moment. So let us start the video. First watch these 10 problems, try it yourself. Okay, and then if you have any question, any query, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll surely answer those questions. So let's start the video. Before that, I request you to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So let's start the video.
Question number 1. The angle between the dipole moment and electric field at any point on the equatorial plane is. We know this is a dipole. Suppose this is minus q charge, this is plus q charge placed at A and B points, and say they are kept at a distance of twice L. We know the electric field intensity at a point on the perpendicular bisector of this dipole is always in this direction, along this direction. Suppose this is P, this is R, along this direction, and we know the dipole moment is actually given in the direction of from negative to positive charge. So the direction of the dipole moment is in this direction. This is the direction of dipole moment, and this is the direction of the net electric field at point P. So the angle between P and E will be 180 degree. Move on to the next question. Question number 2. A given charge is situated at a certain distance from an electric dipole in the end-on position experiences a force F. If the distance of the two charge is doubled, then the force acting on the charge will be twice F, F by 2, F by 4, F by 8. Suppose this is the dipole minus Q plus Q placed at points A and B. This is a point P. The electric field intensity at any point P on the axis is given by E is equal to K into 2P by R cube, where K is equal to 1 by 4 pi K epsilon 0. Okay, E equal to K into 2P by R cube. Now, if we know the electric field intensity, then the force can be easily calculated. What will be the force? Force will be F is equal to Q into E. That means Q into K into 2P by R cube. This is the force. This is the force experienced by the particle. Okay. Now, the distance of the two charge is doubled. If the distance between the two charge is doubled, from here we can write F is inversely proportional to R cube. When if R is doubled, then F will be equal to 1 by 8 times. That is F prime new force will be F by 8. So option D will be the right answer. Question number 3. The distance between H plus and Cl minus ions in HCl molecule is 1.28 angstrom. What will be the potential due to this dipole at a distance of 12 angstrom on the axis of dipole? Okay, 4 options are given: 0.13 volt, 1.3 volt, 13 volt and 130 volt. Let us see how to solve this type of questions. We know E, the electric field intensity at a point on the axis of a dipole, is given by E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into P by R cube. Now we know electric field intensity is equal to dVdr, right? So the potential, you have to find the potential in this problem. The potential will be equal to V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into P by R square. Now, what is the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0? 9 into 10 to the power 9. P is the dipole moment. P is equal to Q into twice L, where Q is the charge and twice L is the distance between the two charges. Now, the charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and the distance of separation is 1.28 angstrom, that is 1.28 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, divided by R. R is 12 angstrom, that is 12 into 10 to the power minus 10 square. Okay, if you solve this, you will get 0.13 volt. That is option A will be the right answer. Question number 4. An electric dipole consisting of two opposite charges of 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb each, separated by a distance of 3 centimeter, is placed in an electric field of 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. The maximum torque on the dipole will be. 4 options are given. First of all, let us see how the torque acting on an electric dipole in uniform electric field is calculated. The torque acting on an electric dipole in uniform electric field Okay. Suppose this is an electric dipole, minus Q plus Q. They are placed at points A and B. The electric field is in this direction. The angle between the electric field and the electric dipole is suppose theta. Okay. So the dipole moment is equal to Q into suppose this distance is twice L, so the dipole moment will be Q into twice L. Okay. The force on plus Q charge will be plus QE in the direction of the electric field. The force on plus Q charge will be plus Q into E in the direction of the electric field, and the force on the minus Q charge will be opposite to the direction of the electric field, and its value will be minus QE. These two forces are equal, opposite and parallel to each other. These two forces plus QE and minus QE are equal and opposite and parallel to each other, so they will create a torque on the dipole. Okay, now let us see the torque. Torque is equal to any of the force into the perpendicular distance, between the two forces. Any of the force means the magnitude of the force, that is Q into E, and the perpendicular distance between the two forces. This is not the perpendicular distance. Okay, so the perpendicular distance will be, this is AB, suppose this point is C, so the perpendicular distance between them will be this distance twice L sin theta. That means torque tau equal to QE into AC, that is QE into twice L sin theta, or tau will be equal to twice L into Q is PE sin theta, or in vector form torque tau is given by P cross E. Now we all know the maximum value of sin theta the maximum value of sin theta is +1. So the tau max or the maximum torque will be P into E. Now come to this question number 4. You have to find here the maximum torque. So let us see how to calculate. Maximum torque is given by P into E. Now P means 2Q into L. P means Q into twice L into E. Okay. Now what is the charge? Charge of electric charge is 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, and the distance between them is 3 centimeter, that is 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, and the electric field is 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. Okay, now calculate this. 12 into 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 8, 10 to the power minus 3 Newton meter. 12 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton meter. That is option B is the correct answer. Question number 5. Very simple question. The electric dipole moment of an electron and proton 4.3 nanometer apart is electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment is given by P is equal to charge into the distance of separation between the two charges. Here the charges are electron and proton, their charges are the same. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb into the distance of separation between them is 4.3 nanometer. We know 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So 4.3 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb meter. If you calculate this, you will get 6.8 into 10 to the power minus 28 coulomb centimeter. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 6. When an electric dipole P is placed in a uniform electric field E, then at what angle between P and E the value of torque will be maximum? Very simple question. We know the torque tau is given by Pe sin theta. The value of tau will be maximum if sin theta is equal to 1, and the maximum value of the torque is P into E. If sin theta is equal to 1, we can write it as sin theta is equal to sin 90 degree or theta is equal to 90 degree. That means option A is the correct answer. Question number 7. Two charges 3.2 and 10 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb and minus 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb kept 2.4 angstrom apart from a dipole. If it is kept in uniform electric field of intensity 4 into 10 to the power 5 volt per meter, then what will be its electrical energy in equilibrium? Okay, the potential energy of electric dipole, is given by U is equal to minus Pe cos theta, or minus of, what is the value of P? This is the dipole moment, that is Q into twice L into E into cos theta. Now minus of, what is the charge? 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 into, what is the distance of separation? 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, and the electric field intensity is 4 into 10 to the power 5 volt per meter, and the value of cos theta will be 1. If you calculate this value, you will get minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 23 joule. That means option B is the correct answer. Question number 8. An electric dipole is placed at an angle of 30 degree with an electric field intensity 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. it experiences a torque equal to 4 Newton meter. The charge on the dipole, if the dipole length is 2 centimeter, is previous year question. 7 microcoulomb, 8 millicoulomb, 2 millicoulomb or 5 millicoulomb. We know the torque is given by tau is equal to PE into sin theta. PE sin theta. Now the torque is given here. The dipole moment is also given here. You have to find the charge. Because dipole moment is equal to Q into twice L. The distance of separation between the two charges is given, and the electric field intensity is given. So you have to find the charge, and this will be your homework. Try it at your home. If you have any question, any query, you can ask me in the comment section. Move on to the next question. Question number 9. An electric dipole in a uniform electric field experiences when it is placed at an angle theta with the field. We have seen that this is the direction of electric field. If this is the electric dipole, this is minus q, this is plus q. The force experienced by the plus q charge will be plus q into E, and the force experienced by the negative charge minus q will be minus q into E. We have seen this. Now these two charges are equal and opposite and parallel to each other, so there will be a torque. Okay, so the electric dipole in a uniform electric field experience a torque. Okay, but since these two forces are equal and opposite to each other, there will be no resultant force. So the electric dipole will experience no force. So option C is the correct answer. Torque but no force. Today's last question, question number 10. A water molecule has an electric dipole moment 6.4 into 10 to the power minus 30 centimeter when it is in vapor state. The distance in meter between the center of positive and negative charge of the molecule is. We know the electric dipole moment of an electric dipole is given by P equal to Q into the distance between the two charges, Q into twice L. Now here in this question, this twice L, the value of twice L is asked. So twice L will be P by Q. P by Q. The dipole moment, electric dipole moment is given by 6.4 into 10 to the power minus 30 divided by what is the charge? The charge will be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So its unit will be meter. So this will be equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter. 4 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter. So option B is the right answer. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked these 10 problems, please hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.